Clamping grips ergonomic. Ergonomic clamping grips are designed for comfortable handling and quick, efficient clamping. Their shape ensures a firm grip while reducing user fatigue. Made from durable reinforced plastic with soft touch surfaces, they offer strength, comfort, and reliable performance. Ideal for precise adjustments, they provide a practical and user-friendly solution for everyday industrial use. Star grips with safety cable. Add the required cap color code, except for black caps. The safety cable secures the star grip to a base, preventing loss and ensuring easy handling. Grips and knobs, metal detectable. Metal detectable parts are made from EU and FDA compliant plastic. Special additives ensure even tiny fragments can be detected, improving safety in food processing and reducing contamination risks, downtime, and customer complaints. Quick-acting star grips. Quick-acting star grips are ideal for fixtures where high clamping force isn't required, enabling fast and easy adjustments. Tilt the grip to slide it onto the thread, then straighten it to lock. No continuous turning needed. Perfect for applications requiring speed, flexibility, and efficient handling. Novonox Hygienic Series. The Hygienic stainless steel range is designed for demanding industries like food processing, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and packaging. As a full-range provider, KIP delivers reliable solutions with strong manufacturing expertise and consistent quality. The Novonox series ensures maximum hygiene with smooth surfaces, optimized geometries, and dead space-free designs that reduce contamination and enable easy cleaning. Made from high-grade stainless steel, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and durability. Compliant with strict hygiene standards, Novonox improves safety, reduces maintenance, and ensures efficient, reliable performance in critical production environments.